Hello, very good morning. Myself, Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services, Bangalore. It's a very proud moment for us. Again, today we are in a departure mode for the Lviv National Medical University.
Danilo Halitsky Lviv National Medical University is one of the oldest and biggest medical educational institutions in Ukraine. It is one of the leading medical universities of the fourth level of accreditation. LNMU begins from the Medical Faculty of Lviv University, which was opened on November 16, 1784, according to the privilege of the Austrian Emperor Joseph II. In 2020, university celebrated its 236th anniversary.
Along with me, Janvi and his complete family is with us. We'll just understand with them and we'll try to understand how they are satisfied with the services of ITCS and how they are feeling today as they are going for the abroad at education for the MBBS. As you know, becoming a doctor, it's a dream for our country people. Here, too many populations we have, but according to that, we don't have that much of seats. We are offering students to a varieties of colleges in abroad countries and providing the opportunities for the admissions into the MBBS course. So we'll just have a discussion with Janvi and their parents and we'll try to understand. Hello Janvi, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes Janvi, from the past 1.5 months we are connected.
Yes, sir.
And we are every day discussing on all the requirements and queries.
Yes.
So how is your feel today that we are in the form of departures?
I'm very excited that finally I'm departing for the medical studies in abroad especially. And yeah, I'm very excited. No words to say, express my feelings.
Okay, thank you. See Janvi, being a parent, they can just provide you the money. Being a consultant, I can provide you the colleges, universities.
Yes.
But becoming doctor is not an easy step. So what's your further plan? How you are going to implement and how are you going to fulfill the dreams of your parents?
I will majorly focus on the university exams. Then I will try for USMLE and PLAN exams.
Okay.
For practicing in US or UK.
Okay. Why you want to become a doctor?
It was a childhood dream, so yeah, that's why helping people has always been a great job for me.
Very good thought for you. And as you are connected through ITCS and now, how you are feeling that how is the services, how the guidance given, entire process and all. Will you recommend the other students for the same?
Yes, I will recommend because everything was going very fluently and I faced no problems during the procedures of getting admission.
Okay, thank you. Hello, sir. Sir, would you like to say something about our services, like how we have connected and how we have given the counseling?
ठीक है सर, बच्चों के लिए मान लीजिए बच्चे तो जा रहे हैं के हिसाब से हमें आपको भरोसा था इसलिए हम बच्चे को भेजे और हमारा भरोसे के साथ में अभी इनका मेहनत रहेगा।
करेक्ट सर, करेक्ट।
जो भी है उसके लिए आप आए हमारे साथ।
सर आप देखिए, सबसे पहले तो हम लोग आज पहली बार मिल रहे हैं। इतने दिनों से हम लोग फ़ोन पे बातें कर रहे हैं बट आज पहली बार मुलाकात कर रहे हैं। आपको कभी ऐसा फील हुआ कि हम लोग डिस्टेंस में हैं, इनके साथ नहीं जाना चाहिए?
तो आप अच्छा तो इसलिए जानता हूँ कि आप झारखंड के रहते हैं, इसलिए और ज़्यादा नज़दीकी था। बाकी ITC के साथ है वो अलग इसमें, बट आप झारखंड के इसके लिए मेरा ज़्यादा होते हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग द सर्विस अपॉर्चुनिटी। एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है सर मेडिकल एजुकेशंस में, बच्चे को हम लोग पढ़ने के लिए भेज देते हैं। मेडिकल एजुकेशंस में नंबर ऑफ फेजेस होते हैं जहाँ की एग्जाम्स क्लियर करने होते हैं। इनको लेकर के बच्चों को हम लोग हमेशा गाइड करते हैं इन टर्म्स में कि आपका फोकस सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टडी में होना चाहिए। एज आपको पता है कि जैसे कि अब्रॉड यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में एक्सपोजर्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, डेविएशन के भी चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं। तो मेरा ये हमेशा कंसर्न होता है कि बीइंग ए पेरेंट्स आपको भी अपनी तरफ से हमेशा मॉनिटर करना है चेक करना है एवरीडे एक्टिविटीज को, इनके करिकुलम्स को, क्या परफॉर्मेंस है, और देन वी कैन सक्सीड इनटू दिस पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट। अभी जैसे कि हम लोगों का पूरा आज का प्लान है, डिपार्चर्स का प्लान है, सभी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, हैव यू गॉट एवरीथिंग?
Yes.
Have you received your all the original documents, everything and all?
Yes.
Okay. So now, like as already told, there's a during the immigration counters when you reach Ukraine, you have to like show the airport clearance letter. You have to show your insurance copy. You have to show your invitations, original, and passports. Correct, na? So all things should be very handy. Have you got everything printed copy with you all?
Yes.
Okay. So Janvi, it's a small gift from our side.
Thank you.
Okay. So wish you all the best and many many best wishes to become a successful doctor. And thanks for giving service opportunity, sir. And we'll try to make our best, whatever the possibilities there. Every moment we are with the students for everything set on.
Your responsibility does not end here.
No, my responsibility just started now. I know. Even after completion of the 6 years program, also if they required any